Okay, we have a page here with a lot of basic text information, useful resources that Mr. Overman over at the Lance wants to share with people interested in how the school newspaper is operated. So this information here is difficult to digest and visually unappealing, and so it's on us as web designers to think about how we can make this easier to understand at a glance and easier to peruse and use that information. But remember, we've been building off of templates, off of existing design assets, and it's no different for the Lance. So we should go through these examples and find ways of displaying information that may be helpful for us. So we can start flipping through different articles and example pages and seeing if there is any useful visual asset around here. And you on your project will be able to see that from demo content that your theme usually provides. And you can read about that in the documentation that comes from buying the theme. Inside the zip file there, I can show you where to find it, is the documentation with instructions on how to load the demo content. That'll give you useful examples for ways you can display information like this. Furthermore, if you get used to WP Bakery Page Builder, this Visual Composer thing, or any of the other editors, you can put together some of your own visual components pretty easily. So, for example, I can just hit, I want to add a new element, and go shopping right from the components here. And so if I'm trying to display a many-tiered list, it might be convenient to collapse all of those tiers into like a tab menu. And so I was thinking about some sort of tab view like this. Okay, so I've added tabs for a couple of the sections and I've pasted some of the content. I've updated it, and now let's preview the page. I'm going to middle mouse wheel click on this so it opens it up in a new tab and I don't lose this page. So I can go back and make more changes. I know I'm not done, but I just wanted to preview it. And so this is what it was, and now the new section is going to have breakout section tabs like this. So this would replace this stuff up here and give you different links. Now, but that's great, and I think this is a good start. But this list, we need a better visual component for this list here. To do the job really well, it's going to take time. We should, instead of having printed out links here, we should have little preview images of the page and turn those images into links to the respective pages. So you don't have this written out here. And there's tons of examples. I mean, everything is driven by these different link lists. So we could just arrange the content as is demonstrated in so many other examples.